Hi. Namhlanje price action was kind of like on the consolidation side. So angithathanga ama-trade. So let me explain. Let me explain. Um, Price action on the daily. Previous week, the previous day's candle was an inside candle. So usually into eyenzakalayo ukuthi after inside candle, the next candle that prints, right? It's either going to take both sides of the candle, you know, or izothatha one side of the candle. And looking at daily overall bias, like on a daily chart, ngibonile ukuthi most likely uh, the overall week is going to be bearish just on the daily chart, because into eyenzeke ukuthi ingenza ukuthi ngibone kanje is because previous week bekunama continuation candle to the upside, and then Friday yaba ne inside candle, and then nakhona bekune SMT fill right below that today's candle went down to tap into yabona. So I'm thinking either kusasa or Wednesday kuzoba nale huge expansion to the upside yabona. It's gonna take the wicks, the highs and stuff. So I'm really excited about that. Mara today was like non-consolidation day, but that's fine, man, because as long as une strategy, as long as unento ikunikeza that framework ukuthi okay, the reason why ngangeni kule trade is because of this, then you know ukuthi okay, une strategy esebenzayo. Because I mean, not trading at all for not trading, I mean, that's yabona. But like if you're not trading because ungenile laphaya and you're able to read the chart and yabona ukuthi there's no opportunity, then that's fine, because manje I'll force something, you're not forcing a trade. And that almost happened today, because you know why? Ngibone so for our chart, right? Okay, so daily chart beyenza izinto zayo. Okay, ngibonile ukuthi most likely izoba bengibona ngathi okay ngo-London session, because we were still early, ngibona ngathi okay, usually maybe izothatha the low kucala, because the candle was still going down. I was like, okay, maybe izothatha the low kucala and then it's going to go high, because that's what usually happens. It's either after an inside candle, it's another inside candle, or izothatha the low and the high of the candle, or is going to expand to one side, right? Like I said. So into engayenza ukuthi okay, anticipating ukuthi izoya phezulu nakhona, because the overall daily bias was bullish, ngaku 4 hour looking for reversal signatures to the outside, mara big nama consolidation, and then there was like a reversal to the upside, but it was later on in the day. And then nakhona mesengiya ku hourly chart, big nama consolidation candle nakhona. So no trade, angithathanga trade because of that. So mara ngakhona like I think the reason why nakhona I'm a bit more comfortable with it is because I can tell okay, kusasa there's going to be a huge move to the upside, or on Tuesday or on Wednesday kuzoba that huge, one of the days of the week, bruh. Usually it's either going to be Tuesday or Wednesday, because that's midweek, like volatility and price action moving yabona. So ngicabanga ukuthi kusasa or Wednesday kuzokhipha as far as price action vele kuzoya phezulu. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. So that's it for this video. Ngiyabonga mothatha isikhathi sokubuka le video, and sharp.